everyone, today's topic is about taxes again, okay, but this one is from an individual Form B1 point of view. So everyone has to file this Form B1, whether you are self-employed, whether you are a worker or whatever, you need to file this Form B1, but sometimes it's pre-filled for you if you're employed. So yeah. Okay, so before I start today's video, I just want to say a quote that totally resonates for today's topic. Nothing is certain in life except for death and taxes. Okay, I mean, recently because really quite a lot of death has been happening around me. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, death and taxes. So now we move on to taxes. Okay, so I did a recording of this video of myself filing my tax return because I don't want you all to see some personal details. So anyway, just go to my tax portal and then log in using the personal tax. Scan the SingPass app and then you will be able to see the filing of your tax return. Okay, so this is me trying to log in. Okay, so I blocked off my NRIC, so they will have this kind of thing, have not submitted. Okay, then got a file. Okay, so this is my Form B1 with all the details already hidden. Yeah, so you cannot see who is my employer. I mean, this employer is my current employer, so I don't mind putting it there. Okay, salary, other employment income. This is what will be filed by your employer. So any employment during the year, you as an employee, they will file all this for you under the auto inclusion scheme, which I mentioned in my other video. Then if you have any self-employed trade income, commission income, it will be here. Okay, so by the way, if you're earning less than 50k for the year of assessment, you can deem your business expenses to be 25% of your gross commission income. So this one I will elaborate more later. Yeah, this is also new to me, I didn't know about it, so I'll elaborate more later. So my self-employed income, I have hidden it. Okay, then these less deemed expenses. So even if I incur less than this 25%, right, I can still claim the deemed expenses. I will explain more later about this. Okay, so total donations, usually your CDAC, your MOSQ, and your, what's the last one? CDAC, MOSQ, SINDA. Yeah. Okay, so donations. And then personal relief. So this part is the portion that you need to check. Okay, so I have earned income relief, CPF relief. So as my CPF contribution for the year is quite low, less than $5,000, right, I still can claim life insurance relief, which I didn't save a copy, but I did file for the life insurance relief because my CPF contributions for the year is less than $5,000. Okay, so I can claim more deductions in my tax return. Yeah, and also during the year, I also made some self-employed CPF contributions of $700. Okay, then I also get an NS-Man relief because now I'm married to an NS-Man. So yeah, and I also did started my SRS contributions for a year, so just $1. Okay, so below will show your estimated income tax payable. Yep, this one is not my true amount because I haven't included the life insurance relief. Yeah. Yep, so at this page, just click on edit my tax form to add in any reliefs that you have, if any. Yeah, so if you have any employers who are not on the auto inclusion scheme, you need to declare your salary, bonus, director fee, others, all this here as well. Yeah, and here is where you add in your other income such as dividend, interest from overseas because technically interest in Singapore is not taxable. Then rent from property, royalty, charge, estate, trust income, other gains or profits of an income nature. Okay, so now we are the deduction, release, parental tax rebate. So this is the portion where I updated my life insurance relief. So because my CPF contributor for the year is less than $5,000, so I can have a tax deduction. So anyway, let's fast forward. I put in my insurance premiums at $3,732 for one of my life insurance only. In fact, I paid more than $10,000 for insurance this year. Yep. So anyway, you won't get so much in tax deduction, so I did not put in the full amount. Just put in one of my insurance amount, $3,732. Okay. Then if you have any cost fees relief, you can go and put it in. Okay. So the cost fees relief, right, must be like those that you didn't get any grant for lah. Yeah, total deduction and reliefs. And view statement. Yes, I would like to do it now. Okay, so I didn't click. So yeah. Okay. I did review it lah, but okay, yes. So yup, on this page you can view your estimated total and then just proceed to submit. Okay, and tada, you receive this acknowledgement slip. Okay, so income tax return being processed, and then you will show the total amount, but you won't show the income tax payable. So you just refer back. But anyway, once you submit, you cannot refer back already. So best you take a video when you're submitting. I mean, best you take more print PDFs. Okay, so the following info from now on is only be applicable to self-employed people. So if you're not self-employed, you can end the video now because your taxes is done. Okay, so if you're self-employed as a commission agent, either property agent or a financial planner like me, okay, or you're a private hire car driver, you can use a pre-filling of income and fixed expense deduction ratio. Okay, so when did they come out with this? This all explains that. So they will pre-fill as an initiative to simplify tax filing, okay, not to evade tax, okay, with effect from YA 2021. No, they first introduced it in YA 2019, so FY 2018. Okay, so in YA 2020 it was extended to agents with gross commission of 50k or less annually. Okay, so yeah, just nice, this is YA 2022, so 2 years after the scheme has been introduced. Okay, so commission agents, what qualify a commission agent? Real estate insurance agent, MLM agents. Yeah, so yep, private hire car drivers, post-pension incentives are counted as income. Okay, so they give some examples. Must be whether you do how many this kind of commission agent, you cannot exceed 50k annually. Okay, so from all commission sources. So if you exceed 50k, you need to go and find out what's your extra expenses. Okay, yeah, so they give some example, 40k will qualify, then this one 55k will not qualify. Okay, this MLM did not incur any deductible business expenses, so he cannot even qualify for the 25%. Okay, so obviously if you only earn very little, then you didn't incur much expenses lah. Yeah, it doesn't make sense that you incur the whole $400 expenses, right? Okay, so insurance agent for 6 months, switch to become real estate to claim actual business expense. So you can only choose actual business expense or deemed expense ratio. You cannot choose one for one. I mean, one actual business, one deemed expense. Okay. Then if you didn't know, for private hire car drivers, right, the deemed expense ratio is set at 60% instead of 25%. So if you actually earn you earn 5k a month, means you only tax on 2k per month. Okay. Yeah, so this is a new thing to me, so I decided to share with you guys. Okay, that's the end of today's video. Hope everyone has a fun time learning more about taxes. Fun time, okay. Yeah, and then hope you manage to plan your taxes well, such that you don't need to pay too much taxes. Okay. And with COVID being so virulent, I hope everyone stays safe. And then yup, that will end for today. Okay, thanks for watching today's video. Please help to like and subscribe. Bye bye. you.